This is our 1 month report for January of 2026 for the condominium market here along the beautiful Alabama Gulf Coast. The area we call Pleasure Island, consisting of Gulf Shores, Orange Beach, Fort Morgan, and Perdido Key in Florida. We've gathered this data from the Baldwin Realtors database. So let's take a look at the market after just 1 month in 2026. This chart shows inventory, the number of the condominiums that are active on our MLS system. And on February the 1st, it stood at 986. Down somewhat, about 50 from the same time last year. The median days on the market. How long does it take to get a properly priced condo under contract from the day it's listed? That stood at 121 days. Here are sales over the last 2 years on a month-by-month basis, with 78 condominiums changing hands in the month of January. Now, we had a lot of cold weather in January that affected some of the showings. We're looking for that number to jump up in March and April like it typically does. Here's the first month of January compared to January of 2025. Total number of condos to sell was up 18%. That's a great sign. Average sales price was down 17% to $530,000. The median price dropped a whopping 20% to $490,000. Remember, median means half the sales were above and half were below. Once again, the dollars per square foot heated and cooled also dropped to 452 square feet. Next, we look at inventory and see how many units are marked as under contract or pending, and that stood at 99 units. That's a 36% increase over the February 1st number we drew last year. So we're anticipating a very active spring. It's important that you have a professional to guide you through the process, whether it's buying or selling the condominium. Please contact the RE/MAX of Gulf Shores agents supplied you with this video. They're going to help you make great choices. Until then, we'll see you next month on Coastal Update.